Good morning, everyone. Let us start with day 24 of our regular SAP FICO session. The topics that we will cover today are listed herein, which are chart of accounts, fiscal year variant, posting period variant, field status variant, and accounting principle. We have already understood the meaning of accounting principle in our earlier sessions in detail, but in short, if you understand the accounting principle, it is nothing but the accounting rules based on which the financial statements like balance sheet and P&L accounts are prepared and the journal entries are written. The first topic that we have for today is the chart of account. So the chart of account is nothing but the list of GL accounts or the list of ledgers in which the journal entries are written. For example, advertisement account is one GL, rent account is another GL, bank account is the next one. Similarly, there are multiple GLs like furniture, plant machinery, fixtures, and multiple others. Share capital, accounts payable, accounts receivable. All those sort of GLs are contained in the chart of account. By hierarchy, we have at the top the chart of account. In the within the chart of account, we have account groups, and in the account groups, we have GL accounts. Account groups could be fixed assets, investments, share capital, COGS, other income, other expenses, cash and bank, etc. So the account groups mean the group of similar kind of GL accounts. We can group all the balance sheet accounts into different subgroups. Similarly, all the P&L accounts can be grouped into different subgroups, and all those subgroups are called the account groups. And below these subgroups, there are multiple GL accounts created with a particular number range. As an example, let's say the account group for fixed assets has the number range from 1 to 10. Then we can create 10 GL accounts under the fixed account groups like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which could be as an example like furniture, plants, machines, land, building, computers, servers, hardware, etc. So like this we can create 10 accounts in the account group for fixed assets. Similarly, under investment we can have short term investment, long term investments, and multiple other GL accounts. Under share capital we can have preference share capital, equity share capital, and under other long term liabilities, short term liabilities. These are the different provisions, account groups that can be created under which we can create different GL accounts. So that's all about the chart of account understanding, wherein we understood the chart of account is the umbrella under which different account groups are created, and below the account groups we can have different GL accounts based on the number range that is assigned to the account groups. Next is the fiscal year variant. This also we have understood in our previous sessions, which is nothing but the reporting year. It could be April to March, or January to December, or October to September, or December to November. depending upon what reporting requirements any company has as per the local laws or the global law, that is the IFRS or Ind AS or US GAAP. The next thing is the posting period variant. Posting period variant also we have discussed in our earlier session, which in short is the control according to which period we need to open or close is set up. The next is the field status variant, which we have not discussed until now. So the field status variant controls what are the fields that are mandatory or optional or suppressed when making a posting to a particular GL account. So the field status variant hierarchy is FSB. FSB, under the FSB we have GL account, field status groups. Under field status variants we have field status groups. These field status groups are assigned to the GL accounts, and basis the setting in the field status group while we are making the posting, particular fields will become mandatory or suppressed or optional for input. So this is the understanding of the field status variant. Under the field status variant we have field status groups. These field status groups are assigned to the GL accounts based on the setting in the field status groups while making posting to a particular GL account. Some fields might be mandatory input and some might be suppressed, which you will not be able to see on the screen as well, and some may be optional. So this is the understanding of the field status variant. The next that we have in the list is the accounting principle, which is nothing but the accounting rule according to which the financial statements and journal entries are written. With this, let us close for the day. We will set up uh, all these parameters practically into the system in part 2 of day 22. Thank you for the day. Goodbye.